which is still cookie dough.
Wait, you ate a whole bowl? You're only supposed to have a spoonful at a time. It's a full day's nutrition in a bite.
Hey, on the bright side, you won't be hungry for 4 weeks.
Real funny, guys. But Ginger always has room for candy.